Hello everyone. Just few days ago, I uploaded my Facebook status that my resolution of 2016 is to teaching 100 youths to become freelancer, to entrepreneurs, be successful in their own life. So a lot of inquiries I'm getting, a lot of people sending a message me in my inbox, and they asking me basics questions. So a lot of people asking me same question, so it's very difficult to start from zero again and again. So please, it's better way you could join my Facebook group, which is learn how to become freelancer. I'm going to put his address on my video on screen. You can just watch and click it and join it, or subscribe my channel. On my channel, which is my name Muhammad Fiaz Ahmed. I will also put link on button subscribe, so you can see a lot of videos I have already made, and few I will make more on coming days. So you can subscribe, so every time when I make any video it will go to your inbox. So first of all, I address one question which a lot of people asking me, how can we earn? So this is not a simple and easy way. Online you go and you start earning. The first thing you have must keep in mind, you have to learn, then you think to earn. So polish your skills, get more skills, and there are a lot of categories online work. So you have to choose some categories first of all, which category you want to work, and decide and polish your skill, and then you can try work online. I will keep uploading and teaching you, and I will show you some tutorial sites where you can learn free of cost tutorials online. You just keep watching them and learning from and practicing them. So first of all, one second question, which subject, which category they choose. So is for example, you'll heard from TV or news that somebody opened some superstore, some shop, and he's selling very good, and he's making money, and you decided that you want to choose in your area same shop, and but you don't know in your area there is a demand of that product is or no, and or you show open your shop and your shelves are empty, you don't have anything to sell, and you are expecting that people will come and buy from you. So first of all, you have to put some stuff in your shop, your shelves. In this case, online shop mean your skills, yourself, you what product you are going to sell. So make some skills, make some products, make some work, which people you can show people that you are master in this thing. For example, if you are a designer, then decide designing, logo making, stationery making, or if you are a writer, that content writing, blog writing, article writing, or video editing. If you are master, choose one subject, one line for writing, translation, designing, marketing. There are a lot of categories. So first choose one category. If you want to make a video making sharing on Facebook Daily Motion or on YouTube, you want to earn from your videos, then you have to choose also the subject, which category you want to make your channel. For example, I am making a lot of tutorials on Spanish driving test. I made almost 40 videos, 40 lessons, and also I'm teaching Spanish, how to learn Spanish. I made some that course also. So I have a regular visitors, regular viewers who come back. So choose one subject. For example, if you are a girl, you want to know about makeup and you know good stuff about recipes, so you can make a channel on makeup or fashion, and keep updating tricks and tips every time, 5 minute, 10 minute videos every, so the people will be watch and become their subscriber, and you get views. But it's a long time, long way you can earn with videos. It's not very easy. So I suggest those boys and girls who want to be a millionaire in days, please, because you have to be wait, you have to work first, then you think you can earn.